Alright, I thought I'd show you my collection of rulers, I guess, surface mount rulers in particular. I don't know, I just like these things, so I collected them. They're just PC boards made into rulers, and then they have surface mount footprints on them, and then sometimes PC board traces and maybe via holes and stuff. So I have quite a good collection now, so let's take a look at them. Let's go from let's see here. Let's go from smallest to biggest. Let's do. This is kind of. I'll do it that way. Do it this way. So these are all kind of rulers. This one's kind of a credit card size thing, business card size thing. So let's see here. Let's zoom in so we can see this one better. All right, so who's this one made by? This one was made by IT Studio. I used to buy all my PC boards from them, and then I moved to the other guys, where they are. I forget their name. Noaa Labs and the J. Oh, I can't remember their name now. They won't be my they won't be sponsoring my channel. You know the guys, the $2 PC board guys. Anyway, let's take a look at this. A little writing on the back here. Oh, we offer 1 to 4 layer PC boards, blah, 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 blah. We can make your things within 3 to 4 working days, yada, yada, yada. Thank you for blah, 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 blah. So it says this one is an FR4 board, 1 ounce of copper. The via hole sizes or drill hole sizes are 0.3 to 6.35 millimeters. Minimum width trace is 6 mils. Clearance is 6 mils. Solder mask clearance is 0.1 millimeters. And so it gives you an idea of their capabilities. So most of the times in the old days, these boards were generated just for that. Give you an idea of, yeah, this is what we can do. These are 6 mil traces in spacing, 8, 10, 12, 16, 24, and 32. And then with solder mask, without solder mask, so you can kind of see what that looks like. These are some packages they do, so you can see some pretty fine pitches here. This one is nice because it has lots of holes. So it gives the drill diameter and then the diameter after the metal's been deposited. So you can see here maybe a 75 drill ends up being a 70 hole. So that's valuable. So it's a nice PC board to figure out what your thing should look like. Okay, what's this one? This one was made by, this is called the Ultimate PC Board Design Reference by, oh, I'm going to butcher his name here. Oh, it's German. Schaudurge? Hopefully I'm not butchering that too badly. So this one on the back is just silkscreen. It has a nice table here of trace widths for trace distances for voltages. So like 30 volts you can get away with 0.05, but if you go up to say 500 volts you need a quarter. External uncovered, so this is with a internal layer, this is with an external uncovered, and this is with external covered. So there's different creep distances depending on whether it's inside the board or outside, whether it has a solder mask on it or not. So that's kind of a neat little table. This one is how much current. So if you want to build a board that can pass a 0.9 amps, you need a 0.64 millimeter trace. So that's a nice thing there too. Let's see. Oh no, this is wire gauge. This is wire gauge diameter. So a 0.64 millimeter diameter wire will pass 0.9 amps, which is also known as a 22 gauge wire. If you wanted to do it in a PC board trace, though, 0.9 amps is a 0.3 millimeter wide trace. So that's kind of cute. Different size texts. Yeah. Then on the other side, we have a little metric ruler, and then some packages, different types of packages. Over here, we have different line widths, which is nice. We have different resistor sizes, like 805s or 603s. Here's some holes. That's a nice little one. I like that. It's pretty small. Okay, this one's pretty basic. This one also is IT'd Studio. It has a couple things. They're not labeled what they are. It has some holes. They're not labeled what they are. And then it has a ruler. Hard to see. An inch ruler and a metric ruler. Oh, I don't think that one's too valuable. It's my least favorite. This is one of my most favorite. I really, really like this one. I think this one first came out, yeah, this one came out with Adafruit. I think people have cloned this, so I think I bought the real deal just so I was supporting their channel. But I think you can get these cheaper if you get them the cloned ones. One PC board to rule them all. Cute. I love Adafruit. So, inch and metric ruler, PC board traces, all kinds of different packages. This one's really good for selections of packages. Has a bunch of hole sizes here. Yeah, this one's really nice. I do like this one. Recommend getting this one. Okay, now I'll move up to Noaa Labs, and we bring you from idea to market. So again, they have trace width versus current conduction. Here's a little ruler. Here's some trace widths, hole sizes, copper thicknesses, nice rulers, some packages. It's a nice big board, but it doesn't have that much useful stuff on it. It's a little bit sparse, but it's nice. This is a nice big one. This one's done quite well. Let's see. True mastery of any skill takes a lifetime. And here's kind of how PC boards are stacked up. Some packages. This one has a little protractor on it, which is kind of nice. Sizes. Let's see, this one's made by DIY More. DIYmore.cc. Don't think I've ever bought anything from them. Not familiar with them at all. So it's a nice big board. It's 250 millimeters. So it's okay. I like the protractor. Don't find that on other ones. Again, I think my winner is the Adafruit board. I like this one so much. I have two of them. I keep one in the in my office, and I keep one here in the shop. It's a nice board to have around when you're laying out a PC board, so you can kind of gauge things. And I found it so useful, I wanted a second one for the garage, so I bought another one. Anyway, I thought you'd enjoy those.